Hello and welcome to the Scale Modeling Cafe. Welcome back to the cave. Just thought I'd do a quick video. Now, I'm halfway through my 5 weeks at home. Have had a brilliant time so far. We've been to Poland, to Krakow, which was fantastic, very sobering. Did Auschwitz and Birkenau, which was, yeah, very sobering. And anyway, saw lots of other really great things while we were there. The reason I thought I'd do this quick video is I've mentioned this before, a big long list when I get back of projects that I want to do. And just rattling off on the top of my head, I've got the Trumpet of Fulmer, which is probably going to be next. Then I've got the Tamiya Spitfire in 32nd scale that I'm going to be converting using the laminar flow designs conversion set to a Mark 14. So they're the first two. I've got two other conversions I want to do. I've got 48 scale 109 G2 into a HA112K1L tripler, the precursor to the Bouchon, and then in 72nd scale I've got a conversion to the Bouchon to do, as well as a 109 G2 or 4. So that's kind of five. Sorry, and the Airfix B25. So that's half a dozen already. So that's probably about 6 months work. On top of that, stuff I'm really keen to do is the Clear Prop MiG-23. I've got a couple of armor kits, the P39 and another Wildcat I want to get done. So, you know, we're banging on to sort of 9 or 10 already. And I'm very excited to do all of those. Very keen. Oh, I've got the Edouard Tempest as well. Crikey. So it's all very exciting. I've got some stuff on pre-order. I've got the Armour Hobby Sea Hurricane and the Hurricane 2B. I want to do both of those as well. So they're pre-ordered. So the in-tray's bulging, but I've got a hankering to do an ICM kit because I've never done an ICM kit. And I put something up on the Facebook page asking for ideas. And plenty have come back in for the B26. Now, I'd love to do the B26, but bearing in mind, I'm over in Saudi and I've got to get these things back with me, and a 48 scale bomber might be a bit too big. I think the 32nd scale Spitfire is doable. And they might not be too far off, but I want something that's relatively quick to do because I've got this bulging in-tray. So it'd be interesting to get your feedback. A couple of shouts out for the Beaufort, but again, that's a little bit sort of bigger and more complicated. I want something fairly quick, simple, a bit like a palette cleanser. So I've got something in mind, but I'm really not sure. I keep changing my mind. It'd be great to get your feedback. And yeah, have you built an ICM kit recently? How was it? What was it? How was it? How did it go? Did you enjoy it? And did you go to town on the detailing, or did you do it straight from the box? Anything like that. For a bit of sort of surge of inspiration. And I've got the Airfix Bulldog coming, and that's going to be out in sort of late May, which is perfect timing. So that's going to be the first one back after I get back in June. I'm only back for a week. So I'll be doing that straight after that. So I want something that's going to be fairly quick and easy, that maybe if I've got, say, a week to go, or maybe 2 weeks before I come back on leave before then, that I can quickly smash something out quick, and obviously bring it back with me. So there we go. Over to you guys. What do you think? Yeah, it'd be interesting to get your thoughts and your feedback on what you've built, or what you've maybe seen built that you think might be a good fit. ICM, relatively quick, and not too big, and not too complicated. There we are. Right, over to you. This isn't one of these Facebook or YouTube polls, and I'll definitely do what, you know, is the most popular or anything like that. I'm just looking for a bit of feedback and a bit of inspiration. So yeah, be interesting to see your comments, see what you come up with. All right, and yeah, maybe I'll do a very quick one of these with, and I'll let you know what I've actually ordered. So cheers, bye bye.